In the world of coins, some pieces shout their importance through gold and grandeur, while others whisper history through simplicity. And the Saudi Arabia 50 Halalas coin dated 1431 AH belongs firmly to the second category. At first glance, it may appear modest, even ordinary. But as we begin this journey, we quickly discover that this small coin carries within it the weight of a nation's identity, its economic rhythm, and its cultural pride, all struck into metal during a pivotal era of Saudi Arabia's modern history, the year 1431. In the Islamic Hijri calendar corresponds roughly to 2010 in the Gregorian calendar, a time when Saudi Arabia was firmly positioned as a global energy powerhouse while simultaneously undergoing steady modernization. Coins from this period reflect a balance between tradition and progress. And the 50 Halalas coin serves as a daily companion to millions, passing quietly through hands, pockets, and markets, witnessing the ordinary yet meaningful transactions of everyday life. To understand the importance of the 50 Halalas coin, we must first understand the Saudi monetary system itself. The official currency of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is the Saudi Riyal, divided into 100 Halalas. The 50 Halalas denomination therefore represents half of 1 Riyal, making it a crucial unit for pricing, change, and small purchases in local commerce, especially during the time this coin was widely circulated. This coin was not created to impress collectors alone. It was created to serve the people. It played its role in grocery stores, transportation fares, street markets, and everyday trade. Each scratch and mark on a circulated example tells a silent story of movement, exchange, and life in the kingdom, turning the coin into a physical record of economic activity rather than just a metallic object. The design of the 50 Halalas coin dated 1431 AH reflects Saudi Arabia's philosophy of dignified simplicity. Unlike coins that rely heavily on portraits or complex imagery, Saudi coins traditionally focus on Arabic calligraphy, national symbols, and clear denomination markings, emphasizing identity, faith, and function over decoration. On one side of the coin, the denomination, 50 Halalas, is clearly written in Arabic, a reminder of the importance of the Arabic language as both a cultural and religious foundation of the kingdom. The script is bold yet balanced, ensuring legibility while maintaining aesthetic harmony. A hallmark of Saudi coin design. The other side of the coin typically features the name of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, often accompanied by the Islamic date 1431. The use of the Hijri calendar is not merely traditional. It reflects the central role of Islam in shaping Saudi identity, governance, and daily life, making the coin a subtle expression of faith embedded into economic practice. The absence of human portraits on Saudi coinage is also deeply symbolic. In contrast to many world currencies that showcase monarchs or political figures, Saudi coins focus on text and national identity, reinforcing the idea that the kingdom's strength lies in its values, unity, and religious foundation rather than individual representation. Material composition plays an important role in understanding this coin's purpose. The 50 Halalas coin of this era was typically struck in a copper-nickel alloy, chosen for its durability, resistance to corrosion, and cost-effectiveness. This choice reflects a practical mindset, ensuring that the coin could withstand years of circulation in a hot desert climate. The weight and size of the coin were carefully calculated to balance usability and production efficiency. It needed to be large enough to handle easily, yet small enough to carry in quantity. Every measurement was intentional, proving that even the smallest details in coin production are guided by economic logic and human experience. Coins, like the 1431 AH 50 Halalas, are often overlooked in favor of rare or precious issues. Yet they are arguably more important from a historical perspective. These are the coins that people actually used. the coins that shaped habits, prices, and routines, making them invaluable artifacts of social history during the period when this coin circulated widely. Saudi Arabia was experiencing steady population growth, urban expansion, and infrastructure development. Coins such as this one facilitated commerce at every level, from major cities like Riyadh and Jeddah to smaller towns and villages spread across the kingdom. The Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority, responsible for issuing currency, maintained strict quality standards during this time. The clarity of strike, consistency of design, and durability of the 50 Halalas coin all reflect a system focused on reliability and trust, two essential elements in any successful currency. From a numismatic perspective, the 1431 AH date places this coin within a modern collectible range. While not ancient or rare, it holds value as part of a complete Saudi coin series, especially for collectors who focus on Islamic calendar dates or Middle Eastern currencies. Collectors often seek this coin in uncirculated or high-grade condition, where the sharpness of the Arabic lettering and the smoothness of the fields can still be appreciated. Such examples provide a glimpse into how the coin looked the moment it left the mint. Untouched by commerce, however, circulated examples have their own charm. Worn surfaces, softened edges, and faded details turn the coin into a storyteller, reminding us that money is not meant to be locked away, but to move, to serve, and to connect people through exchange. The 50 Halalas coin also represents economic accessibility. It made pricing more flexible and fair, allowing merchants to set prices accurately and consumers to receive proper change, reinforcing trust in everyday transactions. In a broader sense, this coin symbolizes stability. Saudi Arabia's consistent currency design and controlled inflation during this period helped reinforce confidence in the rial, both domestically and internationally. For historians, coins like this are timestamps. They confirm dates, economic conditions, and design philosophies that define a specific era. The 1431 AH 50 Halalas coin quietly marks a moment in Saudi Arabia's evolving monetary history. For ordinary citizens, the coin was simply part of life. It jingled in pockets, rested in wallets, and exchanged hands countless times, often without a second thought, yet always fulfilling its purpose. As digital payments and contactless transactions become more common, coins like the 50 Halalas are slowly disappearing from daily use. This shift makes the 1431 AH issue even more significant, as it represents a fading chapter of physical currency. Looking at this coin today invites reflection on how money connects generations. A coin once used by a shopkeeper or student can now be held by a collector or historian, bridging time through metal. The Arabic inscriptions on the coin serve as a reminder that language is power. Every letter carries meaning, tradition, and continuity, ensuring that national identity remains visible even in the smallest denomination. Saudi coinage has always favored clarity over excess, and the 50 Halalas coin perfectly embodies this philosophy. Nothing is unnecessary, nothing is exaggerated, and everything serves a purpose. In the global coin community, Saudi coins are increasingly appreciated for their unique blend of religious tradition and modern statehood, making issues like the 1431 AH 50 Halalas a meaningful addition to any collection. This coin also reflects economic discipline. By maintaining consistent denominations and designs, Saudi Arabia ensured that its monetary system remained easy to understand and efficient to use. Each strike of this coin required precision, planning, and oversight, reminding us that even the most common objects are the result of complex systems working together behind the scenes. When viewed under magnification, the fine details of the coin reveal craftsmanship that often goes unnoticed, highlighting the skill and technology involved in modern minting. The 50 Halalas coin dated 1431 AH may not be rare, but rarity is not the only measure of importance. Its value lies in representation, function, and cultural meaning. For new collectors, this coin serves as an excellent entry point into Saudi numismatics, offering affordability, availability, and historical relevance in one simple piece. For seasoned collectors, it completes sets, fills gaps, and provides context within broader Saudi monetary timelines. Coins like this remind us that history is not only written in books, but also struck into metal, carried in pockets, and exchanged in markets. The year 1431 stands as a quiet witness to a modernizing kingdom, and this coin remains as tangible evidence of that time. Holding this coin today is like holding a moment frozen in metal, a reminder of how economies function at the most human level. It tells a story not of kings or battles, but of everyday life, of buying, selling, saving, and spending. In that sense, the 50 Halalas coin is deeply democratic, belonging to everyone who used it, regardless of status or wealth. As years pass, fewer people will remember using this coin regularly, increasing its nostalgic and historical appeal for YouTube viewers. Understanding this coin transforms it from an object into a narrative, making history feel personal and real. The Saudi Arabia 50 Halalas coin dated 1431 may be small, but its story is vast, stretching across economics, culture, faith, and daily life. And as we conclude this journey, we are reminded that sometimes the most powerful stories are told not through gold or grandeur, but through the quiet strength of a simple coin that once carried the heartbeat of a nation in the palm of a hand.